Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram message problem, message not sending. If you're using Instagram and you're facing the issue that your message is not sending, so let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you just have to simply go back from here and you just have to scroll in the control center and check your network connection that you're connected to a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable disable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your app store, go for search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find trying to update your app, after updating, go back from here, open the settings, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, go back from here and retry to send message on your Instagram, so your issue must be fixed. If it's still not fixed, so you can try to make a force restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and raise the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you have to unlock your phone and you have to retry to check that your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you just have to simply keep a long press on your Instagram app, then tap on remove app, then tap on delete, then tap on delete option again. It will completely delete or uninstall Instagram app from your iPhone or from your Android. After uninstallation, you just have to reinstall your app. So if there will be any bug or any malware into your Instagram app, it will be fixed in this step, and after that, you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.